Hey, it's Fadi Barghouti here, and I'm very excited to be presenting Heroes Unleashed Challenge to you today. Most entrepreneurs struggle to launch their business and make money for two main reasons. One, they don't know where to start. Two, they struggle to attract enough customers to buy their product or service. I have started my first business in 2009 and went through the exact same thing. And after years of trial and error and spending money, time, and effort, I learned that the number one most important thing is to build a selling system. And after a lot of hard work, testing, and trying different methods, we managed to build a solid online selling system for our business that generated $70,000 in 2 months. And this is exactly what Heroes Unleashed Challenge is all about. Convert your idea into a business that has a solid online selling system that works like magic. So you can go ahead and spend the next 6 months learning how to launch your business and market your product or service. Or you can join our 30 days challenge and let us take you through the process step by step. If you commit yourself and follow our system, you will find yourself generating money from your business in 30 days only. Now, inside of Heroes Unleashed Challenge, you will be getting 30 daily mission videos. And if you accomplish your daily mission, you will then move a step forward towards launching your business. And that's not all. You will also get 30 coaching videos that is so important because it will dramatically help you when you are stuck somewhere in the process. Also included in the challenge, a customized challenge kit, which you will need to keep track of your daily tasks and missions. And this kit includes all daily missions with an estimated execution time for each task. And last but certainly not least, you will get a weekly Q&A session where we will answer all of your questions and provide advice on how to move faster. I've also included fantastic bonuses for you that will really help you succeed with the challenge. We'll start with bonus number 1, the digital workbook. And the digital workbook will help you review your mission materials and resources and also contain a checklist for each mission to track your progress. Now, every business needs a website, but not every website sells. And this is bonus number 2, a fully customizable landing pages. Of course, this one is super valuable because you will need an online presence and nothing better than a customizable landing pages that converts like crazy. Insert your brand, product, offers, and you are good to go. Look, we guarantee that this will be the best investment of your life. And if for any reason you find the challenge not for you, then send us an email and we will refund you with no question asked. So take an action today and join the challenge because we can accept limited number of people in every batch. I'm looking forward to seeing you inside of Heroes Unleashed Challenge so that you can launch your business and start making money and change your life.